Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today I am here, General Science lecture number 4, General Science for class 6. We have completed the chapter number 3, sensitivity in living organism. Now we are doing exercise on page 29. Question number 1. Please open your textbooks, dear student, as well as first term syllabus and also the booklet of first term. Look at the question number 1 on page 29 in your textbook. Answer the following question. This is question number 1. Answer the following question. Question 1. How do single cell organisms responds to changes in their environment? How do single cell organisms respond to changes in their environment? Please open your booklet of first term. Look at the page 53. The answer is, in a single cell organism, the whole body, cytoplasm is sensitive to changes in the environment. You can look the answer on page 53 in your first term booklet. The answer is there. Is in a single cell organism, the whole body means cytoplasm is sensitive to changes in the environment. Now the second question, what is sensitivity? What is sensitivity? So I left 2 lines for answer and mention the page is 27, page is 27, point 2. The ability of an organism to respond to a stimulus is called sensitivity. The ability of an organism to respond to a stimulus is called sensitivity. This is the answer of question number 2. Please write in your booklet. 2 lines are here. Please complete this answer. Question 3. What are tropic moments? What are tropic moments? This is part C of question number 1. The answer is, the moments of plants towards light and gravity are called tropic moment. We have discussed in the lecture number 1 that there are 2 stimuli for tropic moment. One is light and the other is gravity. The moment of shoot is toward light and the moment of root is toward gravity. Now come to the point, question number D. How does oxygen control tropic responses in plants? How does oxygen control tropic responses in plants? The answer is, look at your first term booklet. The oxygen is a chemical substance which is made in the cell at the tips of root and shoot. Oxygen speed up the growth in stem and slow down the growth in root. This is the answer. Oxygen is a chemical substance which is made in the cell at the tips of root and shoot. Oxygen helps to speed up the growth in stem and slow down the growth in root. Next question, which is part E. How do higher animals respond to changes in their environment? How do higher animals respond to changes in their environment? The answer is, higher animals respond to changes in their environment by taking appropriate action. Higher animal respond to changes in their environment by taking appropriate action. Next question is, which is part F. What is coordination? This is one part. What is coordination? The next part is, how is it brought about in our bodies? How is it brought about in our bodies? The answer is, if you look your booklet, point 6 and 7 on page 27. Please open the page 27 and the point is 6, 7. The point is 6, 7. Point 6, the first we will define coordination. The working together of all the organ and system of the body is called coordination. The working together of all the organ and system of the body is called coordination. Okay, the next one. Coordination in the body is brought about by the nerve system and the endocrine system. Two systems are responsible for coordination. One is nervous system and the second one is endocrine system. So next, question number 2, which is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. There are from A to J. These are the subparts. First, A. Our sense organs are. Our sense organ are. You have to write. Please write here. Ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin. 5 blanks are here. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. You have to write down here. B. The eye is an organ of. The eye is an organ of sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. C. There are 4 basic tastes. There are 4 basic tastes. As we have studied this one in our topic, you have to write down salty, sweet, sour, and bitter. First one is salty, second one is sweet, the third one is sour, and the fourth one is bitter. Okay, next, D. Our sense of taste is usually affected by our sense of. Our sense of taste is usually affected by our sense of smell. Smell. You have to write down smell. Blanks E. The dash do not have a specific sense organ, but they can sense changes in their environment. They don't have any specific sense organ, but they can sense changes in the environment. That is, you have to write down plants. Plants have no specific organ, but they can feel. F. Blanks are chemical substances in plants which speed up stem growth. Blanks. F is dash or chemical substances in plants which speed up stem growth. You have to write down auxin. A-U-X-I-N, auxin. Now part G. The dash control all the different parts of the body so that they can work together. Dash. The blanks control all the different parts of the body so that they can work together. You have to write down brain. Brain. Next one, H. Dash. Nerve cell carry message from the brain to spinal cord to muscle and gland. These are motor nerve cell. Motor. I. Dash dash connect the ear to the brain. Dash connects the ear to the brain. You have to write auditory, AUDITORY, auditory nerve, NERV, auditory nerve connects the ear to the brain. J. Balance of the body is maintained due to dash and dash. Balance of the body is maintained due to the semicircular canals and vestibule. So we have finished question number 2, and now question number 3. Question number 3, match the part of the body to the function that is performed. यानी जो आपके क्वेश्चन के 2 पार्ट दिए गए हैं, पहला पार्ट है नेम्स दिए गए हैं, दूसरे पार्ट में उसके फंक्शन दिए गए हैं. आप उस फंक्शन के साथ उस पार्ट को, उस ऑर्गन को मिलाएं. पहली बात आप इस तरह करें, पार्ट को दोनों को लेबल करें, 1 से नंबरिंग करें. जिस तरह मैंने किया आप देख सकते हैं 1 to 10. सिमिलरली फंक्शन को भी 1 to 10 आप नंबर दे दें. अब आप देखें, पहला है द फर्स्ट वन इज सेंस ऑर्गन, सेकंड वन इज आई स्पॉट, द थर्ड वन इज ऑक्सिन, द फोर्थ इज ब्रेन, द फिफ्थ इज एयर, द सिक्स्थ इज सेमीसर्कुलर कैनल्स, 7 स्वीट ग्लैंड्स, 8 pupil, 9 taste bud, 10 olfactory nerve. On the other side function, you can look help to detect changes in light intensity in euglena. 2. Speed up stem growth. 3. Sensitive to taste. Fourth one is detects stimuli. Fifth one is control all the parts of the body. 6. Produce sweet. 7. Maintain the balance of the body. 8. Sensitive to the stimulus of sound. 9. Connect the nose to the brain. 10. Control the amount of light entering the eye. Now, अब आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने इसके नंबरिंग इसके साथ लगाए हैं पार्ट के साथ. द फर्स्ट वन सेंस ऑर्गन के साथ आई मैच द फोर्थ वन डिटेक्ट स्टिमुलाई. सेकेंड वन आई स्पॉट 1 help to detect changes in light intensity in euglena. Auxin speed up the stem growth. Brain number 5 mean control all the parts of the body. Ear sensitive to the stimulus of sound. Ear sensitive to the stimulus of sound. Semicircular canals maintain the balance of the body. Sweet gland produce sweet. Pupil control the amount of light entering the eye. Taste bud sensitive to taste. Olfactory nerve connects the nose to the brain. Hope you will do it. Now, next page is page 30. Question number 4. If you look at in your textbook, question number 4. In the following diagram, mark the region of the tongue that are most sensitive to these tastes: sweet, sour, bitter and salty. आप लोगों ने यहाँ पर इसके साथ लाइन खींचे गए हैं, आप बारी बारी 4 लाइन है, 4 मार्क्स किए गए हैं, आप इसको लेबल कर दें, यहाँ पर आप लगा दें. दिस इज योर होम असाइनमेंट. Question 5 is label the part of the air. Label the parts of the eye. Eye दिया गया है, इसके A, B, C, D, E, F पार्ट दिए गए हैं. अब हर एक के सामने नाम लिख दे उसकी, कि A में क्या आता है, B में, C में, D में, E में and F में. The last question of this exercise is question number 6. Label the parts of air. खान के जो हिस्से दिए गए हैं A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 पार्ट दिए गए हैं. आपने इनको लेबल करना है, इन हिस्सों के नाम लिख दें. आप पीछे डायग्राम से देख सकते हैं और वहाँ से ये आप कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा मैंने आप के पेज 53 के अलावा आप देखें पेज 54, 55 मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन और दिए गए हैं. on page 54 a question is given which is you can look in your first term booklet. Write a paragraph on human ear. Also draw its neat and label diagram. See page 24 in textbook. आपके पास लाइन मैंने ड्रा किए हैं, आप इन लाइन पर ह्यूमन एयर के बारे में एक पैराग्राफ लिख दें और यहाँ पर इस बॉक्स में यू हैव टू ड्रा द नीट एंड लेबल डायग्राम ऑफ ह्यूमन एयर. ऑन पेज नेक्स्ट पेज 55 you can look question number 3. Write a paragraph on human eye. Also draw its neat and label diagram. See page 25 in textbook. Here you have to write a paragraph on human eye, which you can study page 25 in your textbook. Then you have to write, and also you have to draw a neat and label diagram here. This will be your home assignment. Thank you.